Mostly dry in West Michigan today, but there was heavy rain briefly in Cannon Township. I witnessed it, and we caught this pop-up shower over Byron Center from our downtown Grand Rapids Tower cam early this afternoon.
I cannot believe this video. Look at this
You can see.
rain cloud. It's so cool to see it from far away. George, what's going on with some spots seeing that rain, but not everyone, right?
Most areas staying dry, as we mentioned. Those pop-up showers, yeah, heavy downpours. This time of year, we get those because the atmosphere is very, very slowly moving. So we get these pop-up showers, puts down a lot of rain, and then the sun is out like it is right now. Let's take a look ahead to your Saturday. 13 weather ball is red, even hotter weather ahead with temperatures near 90. West Michigan webcams, well, looks like we don't have any of those right at the moment. Well, this is going to be interesting. We have temperatures right now in the mid and upper 80s where it's been raining. 80 down in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. 88, the warm spot up in Fremont. Dew points are in the upper 60s to around 70. Very humid night going on here in West Michigan. So when you combine those two, you get heat index values around 90. It even feels like 94 over there in Muskegon. As far as the Lake Michigan conditions where Amber was, waves starting to build to around 1 to 2 footers right now at the lake shore, but a beautiful evening to be at the beach. And water temperatures are in the low and mid 70s. Very nice evening to be out there. We had those pop-up showers as we talked about here throughout the day today, but you can see the majority of the region has been sunny this afternoon. Any showers and storms are down to our south and falling apart this evening as that low pressure system starts to pull away from us. Got a cold front down from the north that may slip through West Michigan tomorrow afternoon. Winds will be out of the north, but it's really not going to cool us down. What it's going to do is drop our dew points. In turn, that will allow the sun to heat up the atmosphere a lot better. So we actually may have our first 90 since June. There go the showers and thunderstorms this evening. Look at the clear skies all the way through tomorrow. Sunny day tomorrow. No threat of any sunshine, rain here tomorrow or during the day on a Sunday, but dew points are going to stay relatively high until Saturday afternoon, and then they'll start to go back up at the end of the weekend. Well, it looks like our computer needs to go into the air conditioning, so we're going to skip over the 6 to 10 day outlook and even perhaps hopefully get into the zone forecast. Yeah, it's just jumping around tonight. It's just too hot. It needs a break on the weekend. Forecast then, 13 on your side forecast. Up near 90 here on Saturday, but the humidity drops in the afternoon. It returns Sunday afternoon. We'll hit 88 degrees. Dry on Monday. Overnight Monday night, we could get some soaking rain, but that'll be done by Tuesday morning. And then we'll stay in the low 80s here early next week, but by the end of next week, there's a tropical system down near Cuba that may bring back higher temperatures and higher humidity once again. May even be a little bit like this weekend will be. So we'll get a brief cool down, but not as cool as we think it will be.
Ooh, but at least the humidity, even if we get a break from that, that's good.
Just a little bit.
Okay.
At least there's sunshine for the weekend for Coast Guard Parade and other events. Thanks so much, George.
We've been talking all week about, is it going to rain Friday night for the tribute band at the Coast Guard Festival?
I don't know. Is it? We know who's going to find out for us, and that's George outside on the weather deck. Please bring us good news.
Juliet, you've been asking me every day this week.
Every single day.
Every single day. And good news is no, it's not going to rain, so I know you're happy. It did look like there would be some showers around, but just not affecting the Coast Guard concert here tonight or tomorrow night as well. 13 weather ball is red. We have a hot and slightly less humid Saturday ahead. And if you're going to walk the dog this evening, Molly, just make sure Kelly just keeps your paws on the grass there because it is very hot on the pavement with that sun coming out. 80s here this evening with a green paw, 77 by 10 o'clock, upper 60s to near 70 in the morning. A lot less haze and more sunshine tomorrow, so up to 8.4 out of a 10-point scale to create green energy from the sun here tomorrow. Winds continue to be very light. That's why we see these pop-up storms that produce a lot of heavy rainfall, but don't go very far, and then they dissipate. We've had a few of those again this afternoon. One just to the east of Grand Rapids, one over the southern portion of Kent County. Now the heavier storms are down near Kalamazoo. Now they're going to put down some heavy rainfall, but these are not considered severe thunderstorms, just ordinary showers showers and storms, just like we saw during the day yesterday. Low pressure system is rotating through the region. We'll see this cold front come down from the north. That's going to drop our humidity levels from Grand Rapids northward just a little bit here tomorrow before they go right back up. There go the showers. This is overnight. Clear skies expected. All of those showers and storms staying away from us. Winds out of the north. That'll help pull that cold front down. But sunshine tomorrow, mostly clear skies tomorrow night. On Sunday, we may see a few high clouds early in the day, but lots of sunshine and temperatures almost as warm as they will be during the day tomorrow. You can see how the dew points are going to be dropping gradually all the way through late tomorrow afternoon and evening from around 70 right now, 10 degrees drier tomorrow afternoon. When you don't have to heat up the water, temperatures warm up faster, so we'll be about 4 degrees warmer here tomorrow, probably our hottest day since June. Now the long range outlook from the 8 to 14 day outlook from August 10th through the 16th, the Climate Prediction Center is saying we're going to have cooler than average temperatures, which at that time are right around the low 80s. I think between now and August 10th, we may hang on to some of our warm weather because there's a tropical system over Cuba that may prevent some of the really cool air from making it into West Michigan. It'll have that kind of influence. In terms of rainfall during that same 7-day period from the 10th through the 16th, middle part of the month, we have higher chances for more rainfall. So for tonight, skies are already clear. To the north, they'll be clearing to the south as any showers that are going on will be ending. Upper 60s there in Muskegon and Grand Haven, mid 60s elsewhere. Another night to keep the air conditioning on up north, mid 60s there. You might start to see a little drop in your humidity towards daybreak tomorrow. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll still have these evening showers, especially along I-94 southward. Overnight lows in the upper 60s. 13 on your side forecast. Humidity sticks around, a muggy night, but the humidity starts to leave us tomorrow afternoon just for a little bit, and then it returns again on Sunday afternoon all through Monday, and then start to move out on Tuesday. Next chance of rain that means anything will be overnight while you're sleeping a Monday night and ending most likely before you get up on Tuesday. That could be a pretty good rain maker Monday night into Tuesday morning. After that, comfortable temperatures into the low 80s, pretty close to our average highs with no humidity and lots of sunshine.
George, still humid, but what a nice night it's turning out to be.
It is nice, just like last night, Juliet.
Yeah.
Well, maybe not quite as rainy or as humid, but definitely a nice summer night going on here in West Michigan. Just what we would expect. 13 weather ball is red. Can you believe it? Saturday is even going to be warmer than today ahead. And temperatures today climbed up into the mid 80s. We made 87 here in Grand Rapids, above our average high. The hot spot 90 in Muskegon. You'll probably touch that again during the day tomorrow. We came within 1 degree of our forecast high, and that's now 16 days in a row. More than half of the month we have been within our target range there. As far as the current weather, we have a low pressure system, one of several that have come through the upper Midwest, and the latest one after Monday is the one that came in during the day yesterday, is now rotating down here in southeastern Michigan into western Lake Erie, and that'll be moving into Lake Ontario later on tonight. Now north of this, it's already cleared on out. We've got hazy blue skies, still some wildfire smoke in the air up above, not down here at the ground, and a lot of haze. That is going to thin out later tonight, and all of those showers and storms to the south are going to fall apart. So no issues there. And look at this, nothing but sunshine tomorrow. Notice the winds are going to be out of the north. A north wind dropping our dew points a little bit in the afternoon, so there's less water to heat up. So we're going to be a few degrees warmer tomorrow than we were today. Overnight here Saturday night, we just have some high clouds coming through. They'll dissipate. Lots of sunshine again during the day on Sunday. Maybe just a couple of degrees cooler than we will be here on Saturday. Next week, we're watching a tropical system that is over Cuba right now, and that is expected to move to the north. So we've got tropical storm warnings for the west coast and southern tip of Florida, and storm surge watches now from Bonita Beach on up to Swanee River, where 4 to 8 inches of rain could fall over the next several days. And here it comes. This is already Saturday afternoon. Sunday morning, maybe affecting the Tampa region with winds up to 35-mile-per-hour winds. And then it moves into the southeastern part of the U.S. and along the coast. And so where this ends up it may delay some of the cool down later on next week. We'll cool down a little bit in the early part of the week, but toward the end of the week, we may be up to temperatures about where we are right now as that storm system continues to evolve. Chances for rain close to 0 until Monday night. That's late Monday night and overnight into Tuesday morning before you wake up. Yes, that could be a lot of rain, but after that, we may just stay dry now all the way through the following weekend as well. We're all looking at that dew point dropping a bit here tomorrow and then low in mid-60s Sunday and Monday. We will see a return to that the following weekend after that brief drop in the dew points middle part of next week. Long range outlook says overall, once that system moves through, we will trend toward equal chances for warmer or cooler temperatures. Average high is right around 80 during that 2-week period. And from the 17th through the 30th, we also have an equal chance for more or less rainfall. You can kind of see where the storm track will be, which is typical mid to late August with the hurricanes. Forecast for tomorrow, nothing but sunshine, little bluer skies, mid and upper 80s north and south, maybe 90 again in Muskegon. North around 90 to 91. Lower dew points will help out, but it will still be hot. Make sure you hydrate as well here in the greater Grand Rapids area. If we hit 90, that'll be our first time since June. 13 on your side forecast. 88 Sunday with the humidity returning in the afternoon, and on Monday, any showers and storms will be Monday night while you're sleeping and then ending Tuesday morning. A high of only 78 Tuesday, and then comfortable weather with sunshine Wednesday through next Friday.